Hello and welcome. In 2022, around about this time, I decided that I wanted to spend a lot of time travelling. I like to travel because it allows me to see things that are different from what I'd see day to day. It allows me to see different perspectives, different ways of life, different cultures, foods, and scenery, surroundings. I like it. So I spent 3 months in the south of France, the area known as the French Riviera, last year basically up until August. And I made lots of travel videos on the places I visited. But this is something a bit different. I went to this place, it's called St Raphael. I was staying in a place called Fréjus, and it was the day of the World Music Festival, World Music Day, which actually originates in France, and they take it a lot more seriously than the rest of the world. It is phenomenal. There's live bands in every town and every city, tons of them, playing free of charge just for people to go out and celebrate music. So I came down here because in an hour or two this festival starts, but I happened upon this in the port on the way to where the festival is, and there was crowds and crowds of people all waiting expectantly, anticipation. They obviously knew what was happening, and I didn't have a bleeding clue, but I thought, well, I'm going to sit here and watch and find out. So this is a very, very old sport, probably one of the oldest water sports in the world. It's believed to have started around about 2,500 BC, and it's still active, it's still going on in a lot of the world, and yet you've probably never even heard of it. I know I hadn't. As you can see, they're real athletes. You can see they take it seriously. Look at all the preparation they're putting in, getting themselves in the right frame of mind, making sure their equipment's right, just building up to it. I'm sure a lot of you are going to be able to guess what this sport involves, but maybe not. Stick around anyway and see what these people do.
Short et maillot ou pantalon blanc et maillot. Vraiment bravo à tous d'avoir joué le jeu. C'est un tournoi amical et surtout un tournoi important dimanche. Et un grand merci à tous nos partenaires qui ont payé les nouveaux maillots de St Raphael. RBTP, Azur Résidence Mobile, Azur Audition, Leclerc, la région, la ville de St Raphaël, Interflora. Et on les applaudit très fort, mesdames et messieurs, les deux derniers jouteurs de la soirée finale compétition senior. Ça vient de bateau. Ah, la lance, mettez-la sur le bord, sur le pied là. Voilà. On va le faire. Je les encourage bien fort, les deux derniers seniors de la soirée. On a vu de très beaux combats en Benjamin, en féminine, en cadet. Il ne nous reste plus que deux seniors, deux très bons jeunes. Quentin Théo le bateau jaune, opposé à Gwen St Raphael, bateau bleu. Toujours le pied gauche en avant, le pied droit à l'arrière. La lance dans la main droite et le témoin dans sa main gauche. On a appuyé très fort, messieurs. Bon, le Gwen. Le bateau juste là, parce qu'après ils repartent à Santa Lucia, on les a